Hello, I'm Justin with Liquid Web. PPAs, or Personal Package Archives, empower users in the Ubuntu community to provide updated packages that may not be available in the official Ubuntu package repositories. In this tutorial, we are going to cover how to add and remove a PPA on Ubuntu 18.04. Before we get started, I'll mention I'm working as the root user on a Liquid Web self-managed Ubuntu 18.04 LTS server. All of the commands referenced in this tutorial are available in the video description. We are going to be adding a PPA to make it possible to install Python 3.8 via apt. In order to add the PPA, run the following command: add-apt-repository PPA:/PPA-y. Now that the PPA has been added, we can install Python 3.8 by running apt install python 3.8-y. Awesome! Now that we have Python 3.8 installed, let's go ahead and remove the PPA by running the following command: add-apt-repository-remove PPA:/PPA-y. That's all there is to it. You now know how to add and remove a PPA on Ubuntu 18.04. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our knowledge base at liquidweb.com/kv or our YouTube channel at youtube.com/user/liquidwebinc.